Hello, Mr. Ibrahim.
Yes, sir.
So you say which bank is your bank again?
Glick P.
Glick P.
Yes.
Where's your office in Lagos?
Actually, I don't know.
Actually, you don't know your branch in Lagos.
Hello my people, I greet the full house from Untouchable Mama. Also now they fine. Now do as una take dey help me take dey share, comment, like. God go bless una. I really appreciate una well. My people, this video I will put am on and watch am. The thing they make me dey laugh, you know why? This man wait dey when I just dey see so. They call am, you know, so this 419 people where they call person, they will tell you about your bank, this one and that one. So now this man can't call the man where that is the 419 person where they for Abuja. He can't call and can't tell and say, okay, now Abraham they call the man. The man get mind, though this Abraham, he get mind where. Hey, he stay for line with them. You know, even thought say maybe they go fit trace time. Now they come, they ask and say, okay, where you there for Lagos? He say no there for Lagos, say in there for Abuja. Then they ask am question, in they reply them wella. My people, some boys, some boys they be experts. They go dead, they not go shake. Not be say you call them say, you don't come Fulani, you be 419, make them run. You know, say some people they just run, they just drop the phone. This one don't drop the line. He continue to they talk to them till the end. Hey, he get mind, person wey no go drop the thing say maybe they now one na real person. You know, say sometimes when somebody you talk to you, they think say maybe na 419. Then later you come talk, okay, na real. The way where this Abraham says they lie, he just do one like say he be real, say you know before one, and they call us and say where you there for Abuja, make they call see you. He not greeted them, say no where in there. Where your bank there, where you there now? He saying they bank, but he don't know what my people see. So 419, they be experts. They be expert. This one go to school, he can't get certificates for his side there. No Miss Morty, I will put am on and watch am on and still laugh. I bet on share am. This one not be laughing matter anyway, but more and be careful of all these people. If your bank call you, go by yourself there. Not be the one where they call you for phone. Just go there by yourself. Una bye.
Hello, Mr. Ibrahim.
Yes, sir.
So you say which bank is your bank again?
Glick P.
Glick P.
Yes.
Where's your office in Lagos?
Actually, I don't know.
Actually, you don't know your branch in Lagos.
Yes, but I'm service here.
Eh?
Yes, I'm doing my service here. So I recently joined the company.
So you recently joined company. Are you working from home?
Yeah, no, I'm working from I'm still at the office.
So you are in the office and you don't know the office that you are?
No, sir. I'm at the company. I'm at Abuja branch.
Abuja branch.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Where can we meet you in Abuja branch now so that we can do this thing face to face?
Yes, sir. I gave you our website so that you can go and check.
No, I'm in Abuja now, so I don't need website. I want to come into that Glick P and pay in my details.
No, sir, you know the problem, sir, is I have the list of accounts that are inactive.
That's what I'm saying. So, Buhari do this country 419. So, Hausa boys won't join, Ibrahim?
No, sir, we are not doing 49.
So, where can I meet you in Abuja now? At least since I know if you catch Buhari, I catch one person will come from inside.
Okay, sir. I gave you our specific address and your specific.
Your specific address?
Yes, sir.
So, let me come and meet you in your specific address. There's still time. We can come now. We can come. Let we come. Because I have other of my friends, their account is inactive with Glick P too.
Okay. His account is inactive too.
And there are very many. All of them, their account is inactive.
Okay, sir. So no problem, sir.
So where can we meet you now?
at the office, sir.
Where is your office? We want to come now.
The problem, sir, I don't think you can have access to the office.
And when we get there, you come out and meet us now because my account is inactive.
Yes, now you pay.
So what we're saying is, where is your office located? Whether we have access or not, when we get there, we'll call you to come out.
Come outside so that you can activate all our accounts. We need this account now. We click P. Hello? Ibrahim, may this network no get problem. This is a serious account issue.
You need to clear. I beg.
Yes, sir.
So where's your office?
Where is your office?
It's in Abuja. What?
We are very many here.
What area? Where's your office?
Exactly.
Inactive account.
Inactive account. We have not been able to transfer for the past 1 month, and Glick P is here to help us. So we want to go and meet Glick P. Ibrahim.
No, sir. You can send us the mail directly to our.
You don't.
No.
Wait, so are you saying you don't attend to your customers?
Face to face?
Sorry?
You don't attend to customers face to face?
No, sir.
You are doing social distancing with banking hall?
I need to get it. But when I opened my account, I came to the office.
Face to face. With Glick P.
We was in Lagos, but now we're in Abuja.
We're in Abuja.
So why can't we come and rectify our account face?
Yeah, with Glick P. Since our database is in your hand.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so let's come now so that you can just effect our changes on our database. Then we move.
No, sir. No, sir. If you want to activate your account, you just send us mail to there.
No, we don't want to send you mail. These people you are talking to, they are not male people. We want to come. We want to come with our mother and her maiden name.
We are female. We have over 40 billion in our
I
account.
think there is no room for that.
So we should close the account. Is that what you're saying?
So we should forget the account?
No, sir. You should not forget the account.
So why can't you let us come to your
I
office?
have cash. I want to pay in cash.
This guy also want to deposit cash.
How do I go about that?
If you want to deposit,
Cash, yes.
Cash.
yes, you can find someone with POA so that you can transfer money to your account.
No, the way you are avoiding people is very clear. This is exactly how Buhari is avoiding people.
No, sir.
So Hausa boys don't enter this 419 business. Upon waiting to do this country.
Brother, I must commend you. You're very calm.
You are very calm.
Because by now, others are cut call.
You are the first gospel scam I'm saying.
Hello, sir.
That nose mask where you hear, remove and know they hear you well.
Hello, sir.
What is hello, sir? I know they hear us, Ibrahim.
We're not doing for online.
So what exactly are you doing?
419.
Are
So
you
where
doing-
is your office address?
Yes. Ibrahim. Ibrahim, what is your name,
Okay,
sir?
sorry. Now you're saying we have to send a mail. So if then why did you call us? Why didn't you tell us a mail to reply? You have an office address. You do business in Nigeria. How can you say that nobody can come to your office? And you say you're not doing 419?
Maybe you're not doing 419, but it's scam. Because that one is different from 419.
Then don't be saying no, sir. Replace this, sir. You are saying with an address.
We need to come to your office today, Ibrahim. Nobody, who they track?
No. Hello, Ibrahim.
Yes, sir.
This is DSS Jude.
Okay.
All right. Everybody in DSS, with all our accounts is inactive, and I will give this number now to one of my this thing to trace the number so that we can meet you face to face. Even if you don't give us the address, we'll get where you are now.
No problem. No problem, sir.
Okay. I'll meet you up shortly. Okay. You understand? Be ready to die, Sean.
Ibrahim.
Yes, sir.
No wahala.
You're patient, my brother. I commend you.
Just start the work.
Hand go meet this one. No worry.